you see me? Yeah. Hello. We've got year 8 this morning again, and today's topic is indices. Indices is a strange word. Not under the sea. Indices, into the sea, under the sea, into the sea. Sebastian, do you talk like Sebastian? The crab. Is it the crab or the lobster, the Sebastian? Under the sea. No, it's in the sea. In the sea, not under the sea, in the sea. The plural of index. Under the sea. No. In the sea. In the sea. A power. Power. And I suppose it should be an, shouldn't it? An index number or an exponent. This thing that sits up here. Okay? These things that sit up here. Okay? These are our indexes, our exponents, our powers. I'm sure you've seen them before. Have you seen them before?
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Robert. Good. There are some rules. If we have something, a number to the power 1, it will be the same as its original value. 5 to the power 1 obviously is 5. 31 to the power 1 is obviously 31. 100,000 to the power 1 would be 100,000. Yep, good. Whereas, if we've got something to the power 0, automatically your mind tells you if I multiply something by 0, it must be 0.
1.
Oh, no, not what? Excuse me?
1.
1. Why?
0.
0. What? Huh? Ah. You're right. If we've got anything to the power 0, the exponent equals 0, the value of that will become 1. Whether it's 5, whether it's 31, whether it's 100,000, if it's to the power 0, that number automatically becomes 1. Okay? Good. There are 2 rules before I let you loose on the book. There are 2 more rules. Multiplying indices and dividing indices. We've seen this before when we've done another topic, which I can't remember what it was. Something to do with powers. Standard form, isn't it? Standard form, that's what I'm thinking about. Remember? In Jalemba. Do you remember it?
Jalemba.
Yeah, do you remember? 5 times 5.
25.
Should be, but no.
No, it's 100.
No.
50. What?
5 times 2.
Why not?
No.
Why
Go.
you have to get the square roots first and then you times it by that?
No, we're not there yet. Let me grab a pen. 5 to the power 2 would be 5 times 5.
25.
Yeah? 5 to the power 4 would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All we're doing is adding the powers together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of these 5. So it would be 5 to the 6. When we're multiplying powers. Okay?
So you just plus 4.
We're just adding the 2 exponents together. Don't try and work it out. Not yet. But 5 to the 2, 5 to the 4, we just add those 2 components together. When we're multiplying, when we're dividing,
Is times each other?
when we're dividing, we subtract the powers.
Subtract.
Okay? So we've got, looking at division, we would have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2 times 2. But what all we need to do is think, oh God, okay, 2 to the 5 over 2 to the 3. It's simply a question of saying 5 minus 3 would be 2 to the 2. Okay?
But you can only do that if both are the same numbers, right?
So that's what we're going to look at. That is what we're going to look at in the next lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Basically, we've got 5 lots of 2s and we've got 3 lots of 2s. And we add the 2s together, we end up, so we're taking the 2s away, we end up with 2 lots of 2s here. We're adding them with these when we multiply, so we end up with 6 lots of 2s.
So we're not supposed to work it out?
No. unless it tells you to. Well, then you would work it out by simply saying 5 times 5
It's a simplified expression.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. To get you going, to introduce you, that is all you should. That's all you need for this first part. Okay. Make sense? Good. There's another bit as well. I'll leave that running. Give me a second. Right. Yes. Law 3. I'm back. The third rule, if I've got some space, if I'm using brackets, so for example, I've got 5 to the 3 times 2. What do you think you're doing with
So
that?
you do
You equals 5
5,
equals 5 time, and then on the top, like as in smaller, as in the C or something, you do 3 times 2.
I'll move the laboo-boo. So 5 times 5 times 5.
Yeah.
You get the answer many times by 2.
So I've got 5 times 5 times 5 would be this. Okay. And then I'm going to do that again. Okay. So it's going to be 2 lots of that. So it would be times 5 times 5 times 5. Does that make sense? So the answer for that would be 5 to the 6, which is basically the same as now we've got brackets. Where we didn't have brackets here, we add them together. When we've got brackets, you can see here, we've multiplied these two things together. Okay.
Okay.
That is all you need to know for the first part. Have a go, have a little look. I'm going to give you a little thing to work through. Okay, happy?
Can I steeple you?
Can you what? Steeple me?
Yeah.
No, that'd be weird, wouldn't it? Okay.